Good morning children, I welcome you all in this session. So today what we are going to learn is forms and reports of chapter number 3. Let us begin. So let us understand what form is first. So in general, a form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in the specific fields. Likewise, in MS Access, forms work quite similar to it. So forms allow you to add and update data in one record at a time in a table. But although Access provides a datasheet view, this view, which is a convenient way of entering data, but it is not an appropriate tool for every data entry situation. Okay, like sometimes when you work with different users or when you work in a different environment and do not want to expose the inner working of Access database, you may choose to use Access forms to create a better user-friendly interface. So any form you create from a table will let you view the data that is already in that table, and you can also add a new data into it, and we can update it, we can design it, so many things we can do. So let us learn how to do that. So again, I'll go to the create tab and then the form option. Okay, so the moment I clicked in the form button or form option, again you can see that a complete table we can see in the manner of a form. Okay, so all the fields here you can see, the records you can see. Now what we have to focus here are the views. Layout view means this view. This is known as the layout view. Design view, as the name suggests, you can do here all the designing part. Logo you can change, the student even you can change its font, and you can change its color and alignment, or whatever kind of designing you want to do, you can easily go ahead with it. Okay, so this is design. You see this colors and all, many things are there. So obviously this we can do it very well. We can do it in this design view. The first view, let us discuss this, that is form view. So now in the form view, what happens is, suppose I want to edit certain record like 101, the class is not 5. Okay, I want to edit it, so I'll simply click the backspace and I'll write 10 here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it. So I'll just save it here. Form name I have to give. Okay, so whenever we save something, obviously it asks for the names, and I just saved it under the name form 1. From here also you can save it, no issue. Now let us check whether it is edited here or not. So what I'll do here now, this I will close first, because actually we have to refresh to see. So here form 1 class 10 was there. Yeah, we edited it as 10 only. So here you can see the first record where 5 was written, now it had become 10. Okay, so that is how we edited. Now suppose the next requirement, I want to enter a new record. That is the next requirement. I want to enter a new record. So how I'm going to do it with the help of the forms, let us understand. We'll click on the new option. Again the text boxes have become blank here. It's vacant now, and yes, I can give the name, anything you can type here, like class 6. Let me type here, and let me type here any city name. So address is also done. Now what I have to do, again I'll save it. I just clicked in the save button once again, and now you can see it's not there, because as I told you, we have to open it once again, then only it will be visible. So now you can see that the 7th record also we successfully entered it with the help of the forms. So that was all the views of the forms and the proper understanding of the forms. Now let us go to the next topic, the last topic of the chapter, that is reports. So a report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. Okay, so report is just like the forms, children. Only the difference is when we create under the create tab, instead of clicking on the forms, this time we'll click on the report. And report, from the name itself, it's a very clear to us that it's a kind of a summary. So yes, the moment I clicked on the report, so this kind of report we got here. Now again we will discuss about the views. So again the 4 views are here: report view, print preview, layout view and design view. So layout view, again this is only layout view. Design view, again all the formatting things you can do with this, okay, all the arrangement, then again logo and colors and whatever kind of designing part you want to do, you can easily go ahead with it. Okay, now the last the first view, I think, that is report view. Report view also we saw just now. This is the report view. Layout view also we saw. This is layout view. Let us go to the print preview view. In this view, what happens is, suppose if you want to print this report, then we'll go for this print preview, and you can print the complete record with the help of the print option. And apart from it, if you want to save it as PDF, so simply click it on the PDF. It will ask you the location and you can save it. Apart from it, if you want to export it, okay, suppose in other format, if you want to export it, so that is also possible. So that is what we discussed today. Yes children, so this is the table, this is the form which we created, and this is the report which we created. So I hope you all understood the topic. Please practice it on your own, try to design the things, and I'm sure you all will be able to do that. So that's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe, and keep on practicing. And yes, goodbye children, have a good day.